This tutorial is a variation on my basic ear warmer pattern that adds cute cat or fox ears. This can be made with just a quarter remnant of fleece fabric that you might have left over from other projects, and is honestly quite simple to make. Just download the free pattern by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with my step-by-step instructions. Start by sewing the ears to the ear lining with right sides together. Leave the bottom of the ears open. Now you want to clip the corners and trim the seams to reduce bulk, and then flip the ears to the right side. Fold the sides of the ears in and baste to give that three-dimensional ear shape. Now you want to baste the ears to the front of the ear warmer. Place the ears face down and pointed down at the top of the ear warmer, and baste them in place. Now you want to sew the ear warmer to the lining with right sides together. Before doing this, you want to turn in the seam allowance on the ear warmer and lining on one side. This will make your life easier in the next couple of steps. Turn the ear warmer to the right side and press the seams to make them neater. It's a good idea to use a pressing cloth whenever you use an iron with fleece because the heat will tend to melt the fuzzy fibers. Now you want to make a loop with the ear warmer to turn it into a headband. Insert the side of the head warmer with raw edges inside the other side that you folded over. Then you're going to top stitch through all of the layers. Now you want to take the tab and fold it in half and sew. Trim the seam to reduce bulk and then turn it to the right side. Now all you have to do is wrap the tab around the ear warmer and hand sew it closed in the back. And that's it, you're finished. You have a cute animal ear warmer.